is vestibular and ocular motor impairment. So your vestibular system is your balance system, your ocular motor is your eyes and how your eyes work together. So your vestibular system, your eyes, and also your neck and your proprioceptive systems tell you a lot about where you are in space. If all three of those systems, vestibular, ocular motor, and somatosensory and proprioceptive are giving you congruent signals, meaning that they're all three of them are saying the same thing, your brain doesn't have to work as hard to kind of, know where you are. So everything feels comfortable, it feels easy, everything feels calm, and you can do whatever tasks you're doing without giving much thought to anything else. But if you have vestibular or ocular motor impairments, either due to injury or maybe pre-existing or whatever, that will make you feel off balance. It'll make your eyes feel weird. It'll make everything in your environment feel uneasy or off. Well, if that's the case, your central nervous system, your brain trying to integrate all these signals that are telling them different things is very taxing on your system. So now you're burning a lot of energy just trying to figure that out. So that becomes effortful. So now if you're trying to do a task, whether it be a task at work, going out to a grocery store and navigating your environment and all these other things, you're having to work way harder to figure out all that stuff because now your sensory integration processing is taking up a lot of energy just to do that. And then you're still trying to do the task you're trying to do, which makes everything way more complex and way more difficult. So there's this concept called cognitive vestibular interactions where people with vestibular or disorders actually can show cognitive impairments. Even though there's nothing theoretically wrong with the brain or cognitive processing, it's the fact that their vestibular dysfunction is affecting their ability to remember things, ability to think clearly, and ability to multitask because they're just spending so much effort on trying to navigate their environment and feel comfortable where they are that trying to focus on anything else is just way too difficult. So if you are fatigued and you feel off visually or feel a little bit off balance or dizzy, this might be one of the reasons why. And so by getting that stuff dealt with, meaning the visual and vestibular stuff, it may make you feel at ease, which then makes you have to burn less energy when trying to do something. So that's something that can help.